Humpy, Alamine?
Just grand, chum.
Nighty-night. Did you get his number?
We'll sue him.
Remind me to get in touch with my lawyer.
Hey, look. An Indian village. I'll run over, pal, and see if the Indians are friendly.
Hold it, chum. They might be dangerous. I better go. You wait here.
Palsy Waldy, I insist you let me go.
Oh, no. I'm bigger. I'll take the risk. Now, stay put. Be right back.
Boy, what a friend. They don't make 'em like that anymore.
We want 'em rain. We want 'em rain. We want 'em rain. We want 'em rain. To get 'em rain, we must sacrifice sacred rainbird, the red-headed woodpecker.
A woodpecker?
Yeah, you catch 'em, woodpecker. I give plenty wampum. First, you catch 'em, woodpecker.
Okay, Chief. Sit tight. The Indians are friendly, chum. They're just dying to meet you. Wait here, pal. I'll be right back.
He's a swell friend. Well, I might as well relax until he gets back.
Catch 'em, woodpecker. Catch 'em, woodpecker.
I catch him, Chief.
Catch 'em, woodpecker. Catch 'em, woodpecker. Catch 'em, woodpecker.
Wait there, Chief. I'll get you down. Don't get panicky. Watch it. Take it easy. Don't be chicken.
Now, you catch 'em, woodpecker.
Okay, Chief. Don't panic. Don't panic. Step on it. There he goes.
You got me, Chief. But before I get it, puff pipe of peace.
Okay, then you get it. Woodpecker stinker. Now he gets it.
You know that hurts?
Now you catch 'em, woodpecker.
Okay, Chief. Don't panic. We'll get him. Grab the rope, Chief, and we pull up a woodpecker. Save me, pal! Help!
Okay, chum. Don't go away.
Save me! I got him, Chief. He's all yours.
Now I make heap sacrifice and rain come.
Hold it, Chief. Look yonder. The rain cloud cometh.
Rain cloud cometh? Where? Where, rain cloud? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where's rain? Rain!
Yahoo!
Rain! Rain come! Big rain! Yip, 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 yip. Woodpecker,
Yes, sir.
how you stop 'em rain?
Sacrifice a fox.
A fox?
Oh, no! Woody, old pal of mine! Don't forsake you, old friend! Don't